Hi, Kevin Runlet with Runlet Law Firm. Today I want to talk about a workers' comp injury that is purely psychological. First, the question is a purely psychological injury, meaning an injury such as PTSD, a post-traumatic stress disorder from something that happened at work, a valid workers' comp claim if there's no other physical injury? The answer is yes, it can be. So first of all, what we need is records from the psychiatrist or psychologist that says this injury, this condition is related to a certain incident that happened on the job. The second thing we need is recommendations from that doctor that the person can't continue in that job because of this particular injury. Now, we represented a client who worked for a large retail store chain as a manager. There was actually a murder in the parking lot of this store, and this worker was notified, and she didn't actually see it happen, but she was told she had to go out to the scene, meet with the cops, do her managerial duties, basically. So, in doing this, she did witness the aftermath of this terrible thing, and it did cause her some psychological issues. It did cause her post-traumatic stress disorder, and it did cause her to not be able to continue in the job that she was working in. So, this case did settle. And why did it settle? Because she had been to her own psychiatrist and psychologist who clearly related her problems to what she had seen at work, clearly said that she cannot continue doing what she was doing in the managerial position that she had with this company, and she had real damages. So, I mean, it really occurred. And the defense even sent her to their own doctor, their own psychiatrist, to evaluate her, and the opinions of this psychiatrist were very similar. So that happens in a workers' comp case. Sometimes you have a treating physician, the defense wants to get their own doctor to examine the person and provide some opinions, and usually it's against what the original doctor said because that doctor's paid for by the defense. But in this case, that was just, it was an opinion by their own physician that was mirroring what our psychiatrist had said. So yes, psychological injuries can be valid claims as long as you have the information that I mentioned in the video. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us or email us. We'd be glad to help. Thank you.